Black is black. What is in this paper bag? Hello everyone, here's Lily. And yes, this is a black paper bag from Soloron. And today we'll do the unboxing. I bought this from Soloron shop at the Breuninger shop in Düsseldorf. So let's dive into what is inside, guys. Yes, so here it is. If you haven't seen my other video about the Breuninger Mall, please see that also if you are interested to see the mall. And there she is. This is the Soloron box. Wow, I love the packaging. And yeah, the ribbon is at the back side. I've seen the actual look of this bag shop. So, but now I'm going to unbox this pretty little bag in front of all of you. So, here it is. Are you excited like I am? This is it. I think this is the care cards. Let me see. I haven't opened this yet. Yeah, this is the care cards, and this is the number of the bag. Yeah. And hard to read it in French. This is it. So we put it again here. Oh, I have to put it like this. Oh, yeah. So, and yeah, are you ready? There it is, guys. It is in this black dust bag and with a white lining. Really nice dust bag. And it is the Soloron Matelasse or Matelasse mixed print and quilted. That is the mixed print in quilted. It has this gold YSL logo envelope. It has this wristlet. Yeah, because this is the envelope bracelets. And yeah, the bracelet, as you can see, the state here, Soloron, Paris. It has a snap closure, also in golden. And there says Soloron, Paris, and a small engraved there, made in Italy. Inside the bag is just a cotton in black, so all in black, with one slip packet here, and the number, code number, is inside also here. I hope you can see it, guys. The bag is made of 100% calf's leather. It is very durable. It's a grain pebble here. Yeah, and this is the envelope matelasse or mixed quilted design YSL envelope bracelets. Yes, so I've seen it in many social media. They are so popular and they did a lot of DIY there. Oh, forgive me to mention your name, Mel in Melbourne. I saw it on her channel and I am curious. That's why I intended to buy the envelope and not the wallet on chain. This is actually detachable. Some other put in bag organizer, convert it into a shoulder bag. But the first one I saw is just they let it, this one, the wristlet inside, and bend it here, close it, and I'll show you how, guys. As you can see, I have my Louis Vuitton Felice in the mirror. I have also a video about this. And if you put it together, they have the same length. So probably if I open it, they will have the same width. But let me show you why I compare these two. And having this is very useful because it has this golden chain. So the color is almost the same, not so much different. Let me show you what I mean, guys. So when we open it, you have this wristlet, right? What we do is we put this Louis Vuitton golden chain here at the side, and the other one, and we add this clip, this O-ring. This is from other bag. You can also buy this in a lot of store, because the other side of this will not fit here. Or you can do that first. You can put that one here and then clip it to the other side. That will be a good idea. So now you have your wallet on chain. You can use it as a crossbody bag. Or if you don't want that, you can also put this ring. The ring here. Oops. Just like that, for having that things, and then you will clip this together. Voila. This is really nice, isn't it? You have your wallet on chain. Only you have to be careful if you open it and you stop the bag or this clutch bag. Maybe it will drop, but I don't think so. I don't think it will drop. How cute is this? Yeah, and as I said, Mel in Melbourne, and she collaborated with Samorga to make an organizer that fit for this clutch bag. And if you don't have, just watch my video and do this option. Or you may look at the Amazon if you think that is good for you because of the price and the service. More on this bag, we'll try to put this inside and this also. This is the inlets from Louis Vuitton. Yeah, so I can put the cards here and we'll try if it will fit inside too. It fits, guys. Surprise, surprise, surprise. It's fit inside, so that means I don't need to carry card holder, and also I can put other things here if I want to the other side, and it is safe. Yeah, I'm thinking of putting organizer because it is black. Whenever I have lipstick or some sanitizers, I'm thinking maybe it will might get stained because it is, inside the lining is cotton. So we'll try it on me now, guys. Yeah, the other one, the classic, The chevron pattern is very classy, but I love the quilted design, and also that chevron is a little bit cheaper than this one, so about um 30 or 35 euro, I'm not sure. 545 that one, and this one is 575. Yeah, so this is it, guys. So we'll try it on me. Yeah, how do you like it? This is so classy. Yeah, and if I don't want it, I just put them out this shoulder. The good thing about this golden chain is you can make different style with this. You can shorten it, or you can make this like this. You can do this. You turn this other side too and clip it here. Wait a minute. Where are you? There. So, and now you have a shoulder bag, right? Yeah, so this is 3-in-1, right? Or how many? 1, 2, 3, 4-in-1 actually. Really nice one for a luxury brand, Solaron. When worn as a wristlet, ready for a night out with your friends or with your husband, your boyfriend. And yeah, if you're going to some other occasion, you may put out the strap, wristlet strap, and just go. And it looks so elegant. Black is always a classic. This cloth is everything. Saint Laurent is now definitely one of my favorite luxury brand, and it's classic, super classy, and reasonably priced luxury brand. As a shoulder bag, using this golden chain from Louis Vuitton, or you may use other kind of chain. And this is when worn as a crossbody. Real nice, really nice bag. The original price of the wallet on chain costs double the price of this pouch. So I hope you like my video, guys. For more details, I just gonna write it in the description. And thank you always for watching my video. And if you are new, please do like, share, and subscribe if you like my video. Have a nice day. Your quirky mom, Lily.